Hi everyone, so just waiting for the machine to heat up and I'm going to have a go at printing these here. So the bed's up to temperature now, just waiting on the hot end to warm up, and then I'll just film through the start of the print. I won't try and, well, I might have to. Sometimes when it starts extruding it's just a bit messy at the start, so it's good to just get that bit out of the way and cleaned up. Up to 130 now out of 208. Should be there in the next 10 seconds or so. Should we try and count it down? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Yeah, okay, maybe 10 seconds won't quite do it then. But yeah, you get the picture. There's my 10 seconds up. Yeah. Are we ready? Also, if my battery doesn't die, because it does say it's only got about 6%. But I thought I'd risk it and make a video anyway. Trim around the edge. Yeah, might be alright with that. The noise sounded like a skippy noise. And that's it. So now I'm just going to leave it to it and I'll come back in a bit. So we're about halfway through. I don't know if you can make it out from there, but it's kind of jumped, missed a step again on this bottom floppy belt. So the next thing is to print an adjustable one of these. I'm still going to let it finish because I might be able to drill a hole through the centre and still use them. They're little adjusters for the bed levelling. So we'll see what it finishes like, as long as the hole on the top, which I think holds the M3 nut, is okay, and we should be okay. But yeah, like I say, I'll wait and see. I'm already halfway through, so for the sake of another 30 minutes, I'm going to let it run till the end. And then, yeah, like I said, I'm going to print an adjustable one of these next. Has to be the next thing to do. And I've got some new pulleys on order now as well. Yeah. Cool. Bye for now. Okay, so we've gone back to doing this again. So you go from one pretty good print, which was this, nice and level look, all the way up that height to the very next print. Ta-da! Oh, the joys, really the joys. Right, so I'm going to cancel this one now, probably dismantle, play about, tighten up, do whatever the hell I can again, and then get back on it again. Excellent. Bye for now. See you later. Like, share and subscribe if you enjoyed it, by the way.